What's good, Foodizens? It's your girl TK, and I'm back with another recipe. And today we're going to be making some homemade French dressing. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys, and here we have it. We have our homemade French dressing. It was really easy to make. It's just a matter of gathering the ingredients and blending them up. This is actually kind of thick, so if you want yours a little bit more thin, you can either add more water or more vinegar if you want it a little bit more tangy, or more olive oil. But I find that, well, because I used extra virgin olive oil, it might alter the flavor a little bit, but feel free to use whatever oil you prefer. But I really like this recipe because I love French dressing and I really love honey French, but the sugar and content is just so high. So I try to control my sugar intake where I can. Do not misunderstand, however, because I still enjoy my sweets. And I actually have a sugar cookie recipe coming up soon. But with that said, this salad dressing was really good and I really enjoyed it, and it was really easy to make. So I definitely hope that you give this recipe a shot and let me know what you think. And until next time, guys, take care.